Yeah. Mm. Mm. Yes. Hello. Good morning, all. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, all.
Good morning.
Yes. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
I'm quite surprised people are here. I thought they won't come. How are we this morning? So
Yeah,
so
thank you.
pretty quick one so that we don't bore ourselves. We try to see.
Thanks to Mr.
Yeah,
Thanks to Mr. David. He told me that there is ongoing.
Yeah, you know, she too actually started one, and at the time I had to go pick some fuel and all that, so I just came back, and of course, so that he can also face his own preparations, I had to just take over the hosting. So we just initiated this to see if we have something to share. I know I want us to be able to like, oh, I have something to share. Test how to share. Talk, then remove sharing. So these are like practice, you understand? So that we know that you can engage the public doing that with that level of proficiency. Can you share your screen? Can you talk? Can you unshare yourself? And the event continues. And I think I've only seen someone share, Shitu shared his presentation, slides, pages with me. Though I may not really have the time to look through everything, but then in terms of structure, I think it makes a lot of public sense. And I said that at the foot of your program, you can put the Innovationbed logo. And when I say the Innovationbed logo, is that original Innovationbed logo, which everybody has. Or if you can't get it, Innovationbed logo is on the Innovationbed WhatsApp group. That's the original logo. So you can just use that as the footer pages of your presentation as you present. So anyone ready to share something so that we just take it in turn? This is not a lecture, please. I was bored. Yesterday was so tight for me. The day before, I didn't sleep at all. It was a vigil because a community in Lagos called Onigbombo local government, or they call it LCDA. The chairman was actually saying how they can prepare something for the youths on the supposed National Youth Day. So this comes to mind that so many governments, even from the small communities as local government areas, those level of leaderships are planning to do something for their youths. And in the course of this program, as we are taking it, we will serve as a very good ingredient for most of these governments to be able to use our services. And that's why we say we ourselves need to be prepared. We ourselves need to be able to have something that is sellable, and we should be able to coordinate this, start and finish successfully to the benefit of the youths that these leaderships are now reawakened, you know, to be able to face. So I couldn't see the head of house to speak with. It's been very tight, pretty very tight for me over the weekend and now. But this week seems to be a very fast week. I don't know how it's been so fast. But this is just going to tell you what 2021 is going to be. It's going to be faster because people are not going to be this patient, no patience at all from 2021. So thanks, Mercy. Let me just speak on Mercy. Mercy, please, can you on video share something, talk something, and on share? We move on to Awa, that is here, and David. Hello, Mercy. So we see that during a live show, you just need to be as close to the program as possible so that we don't lose time. You understand? I don't expect I'm going to have a perfect day, but I prepare my mind for whatever happens because the event has got start and finish. So we need to go by that. I'm calling on Mercy Ipe. Please, can you share your screen? Let's even start with that. I'm sure today you really can't do much from a phone. It has to be from a system. Right. Awa, good morning. Let me move to Awa. Awa is out. Oh, I called her and she left. Okay, David.
Yes, sir.
Please, can you share your screen, speak, and close your screen? You are just trying to make some trials. Are you able to do that? Can you share your screen on Zoom without fumbling? We're trying to see how we fumble to ourselves. We don't fumble to people, to the public, so that we can let other people learn from this.
Okay, sir. Well, what I'll be sharing wouldn't be my own slides on the presentation because my mother got sick 2 days ago, so I've not finished work on the slides. I was still working on it, but I didn't want to be absent here. So I'll just share any
Okay,
PowerPoint
that's
as
what I
well.
say. We don't want to waste any time so you can continue your work. But I'm trying to confirm that you can share your screen, talk on something, and share yourself so you can continue with what we are doing. And of course,
Yes.
have it at the back of your mind. Your presentation slide has to be a standard slide and needs to have the Innovationbed logo on the pages at the footer. Please go ahead.
Okay, so I'll just try sharing any PowerPoint with me now, so I'm sure I'm prepared to.
Excellent, excellent. Go ahead. I say Shitu is in the house. How are you, Shitu?
I'm very fine, sir.
All right. So we're just trying to practice. Oh, excellent. Oh, look at this.
You can see my screen, right?
Oh, I can see your screen. Look at this guy bringing me, taking me back to Benue.
Okay.
This guy taking me back to Benue.
All right. So good morning.
Excellent.
Yes. This morning, later today, I'll be talking briefly about innovations in agriculture.
Excellent.
And I'm going to be talking about the rising population, which is also a cause for rising poverties. And I'll be talking about how agriculture can be used.
I hope we know that we try to keep this barest 10 minutes, max 2 minutes more, and you wrap up so that we don't need to hustle you. Now, let me just share that we're trying to see how we can keep these things to good time, even much better than what we have on the program. Because the last speaker that is joining us from Singapore, she is 6 or 7 hours ahead of us. So it's not unlikely that the time she'll be talking, it is her midnight, and that will not be too fair. It won't be too nice. So we're trying to see how we can save good time, right? But then we are saving quality time so that people are seen to present smartly and wrap up with the value and message passed. And you are doing this very smartly. In fact, you are doing this as an Innovationbed entrepreneur, and that must be a smart practitioner doing that. Okay.
Yes.
All right. So you can unshare your screen, and we can continue.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
That's a nice one. I see a lot of good. I see that's the confidence anybody needs. You don't need to be panicky. You just do your stuff because there's no formula to anything. So nothing is right. You can be wrong and you are still right. So you need to learn that. Right. Awa is back.
And I'll be right and you're still wrong.
Yes, oh sure. She to take your time. Now, so Awa, before you join us back, we are trying to test. Here Mercy is active. We're talking to her, but we're not getting responses. We're trying to see how we can test that we can share our screens. We can talk to our screen and, have a good mastery and coordination within the period, and we can share our screen as the event continues. So Shitu, I'll take on you immediately.
Really?
So just share your screen, talk about something. Yeah.
Of course.
So you just share your screen, talk about something, and
can anyone see my screen?
Yeah, please just share your screen. I want to see the confidence in you. The public will get to hear you, and once you're done, you can just get back to your program. Yeah. Hello.
Yeah. Can anyone see my screen?
Yes, we can see your screen.
Interesting. So, good afternoon, everybody. This is Shitu Joseph Olubinga, and I'm actually an Innovationbed entrepreneur representing Ogun State. I also happen to be the founder of Voice Rail Limited. I'll be presenting something I call the smart traffic. How we can manage traffic smarter and make it more functional and more efficient. So,
you know what? I hold on, man.
see, my boss is on call. He's not appraising me yet.
We're listening to you.
Okay. But I wouldn't want to do a whole bunch of presentation. Well, let's just go. So, the first question is, why should traffic become smarter? Well, research has actually shown that there is direct correlation between traffic management and traffic congestion in Nigeria. So it becomes necessary to manage, to ensure that we have a reduced traffic congestion so that the quality of life can be improved, businesses' activities can be improved, citizens' efficiencies also can be improved, while the state also earns more. So, but then what's the aim of smart traffic itself? Smart traffic actually will improve the security and safety of the citizens, but my boss is quite busy and receiving calls, so I'm actually going to stop this now. Thank you. You cannot appraise me. Is there confidence?
No, so far that's nice. I was thinking you just run through it.
Sorry, madam. Sorry. Shitu.
Yeah, my boss.
No, I think we are on course. We are on course. Shitu, you are on course, please. Are you done?
Okay,
are you
sir.
done? Are you done?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. That's correct. Please, let's have our. I'll share your screen now. Our, please, can you take the floor, please? Our, please take the floor briefly so that every other person can
Where's
react.
the Klimatu?
Klimatu, I've not seen her. Gombe, are you here? Akwa Ibom, Messi. Oh, dear. I want them. Sorry, madam.
How you can share your screen? Don't worry, I will appraise you. Yeah.
Is that what there?
Hello? Hello, Awa?
I'm trying to share my screen.
Okay. Yeah, there is a button down. You see share screen.
I've seen it. I've even pressed the button.
Yeah, when it's going to show you some windows. So you can click the window you want to share.
And then you see a share button by your right.
I have already clicked. Maybe it's network. Can you see the screen?
Yeah, we are not seeing it yet.
You've not seen it?
Yeah, not yet.
What of now? Can you still see?
Not yet.
I'm only seeing Shitu.
I guess your screen likes me very much.
It's not that
No,
much.
your screen does not like me that much. Okay, we haven't seen it yet.
Can you all see now?
No, we can't.
Is it loading?
Nothing is loading. It's just not showing anything. Yakub, can you see? Debbie, can you see anything? Mercy, can you see anything from our? Yeah, from your audio, I want to believe your internet is a little bit slow, kind of. So probably I will advise you switch off your modem if you are using the modem and try to get it back on. Probably the network will be much more better. Mercy.
Hello.
Yeah, Awa, we're still with you.
Please, can you see my screen?
Not yet.
Is it loading?
Not loading yet. For me, I can't see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know if David or Mercy can see, but they aren't responding. David.
Abi. Sorry
Sir.
Sorry about that.
Our is having difficulties sharing our screen. So let's try this again together. Are you with me?
Okay. Yes, I'm with you.
Okay. Now you can close whatever screen sharing is in front of you.
Right.
Let's start again. So at the bottom you see share screen.
I've seen it. It's showing green.
Yes, showing green.
Ladies and gentlemen, is our having problem with sharing? This is the drama I don't want us to have in the life.
Yes. So there are some buttons that will come up. Some thumbnails of screens that you have.
Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, Google Drive Box, and Microsoft Share PowerPoint.
Say that again.
We have Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, Google Drive Box, and Microsoft Share PowerPoint.
Oh, okay. No. Close it again. Let's try it again together. Close it.
Right. And,
have you closed it? So you can just.
I have closed it.
Okay, fine. You're all seeing us now. So click the share screen button, the green button again, beside the participant, in between the participant and the record.
I've clicked. The same thing is coming now.
Okay, now read what you have there. Let me see.
Dropbox, Microsoft PowerPoint Share.
Okay, is it telling you? What's the title of that pop-up of that window?
No, the one that is showing you Microsoft PowerPoint. I think you can click on that one, and then there should be a share button by your right. So look to your right, you will see something like share.
Okay, you've clicked files. Please click on basic at the top. Click on basic. Basic at the top. There's basic advanced files. Have you clicked on basic? So you can now choose the window that you want. So choose the windows. Choose the one. You can choose screen. You can choose whatever one you want.
Which window? Screen sharing for video clip.
What?
I've chosen. Yes. We have share computer sound and optimize screen sharing for video clip.
No, don't worry about all of those. Just click share. Once you've selected any of the thumbnails, any of the windows, click share.
Yes, it's going back to another page again.
Now I'm just for me now. I have clicked on screen, and if I click share now, you're gonna see my screen.
It's telling me that connection is not private or what?
Is that what it's telling you?
Yes.
Okay. Connection is not private. I don't know what that means. But I've just shared my screen again. Can you see my own screen?
They say the Zoom ID.
Can you see my screen?
I can see your screen.
Okay, I've unshared. So let's go through the process again.
Yes.
Just cancel whatever you have. Let's go through the process again.
I'm going there. Share screen.
Share screen.
Then basic.
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 Yes, select screen. Can you see screen?
I've selected.
Then click on share. Good. We are seeing your
Yes.
We are seeing you now. It's coming up. Yeah. Bam. I can see the flower on your system. Oh. Lovely flower.
How are you? I was just.
Can everybody see my?
Yes, you can see.
I'm fine, I'm fine, sir.
I can see your screen.
Whether they like
Interesting.
Whether they like it or not. Whether they like it or not, you must present.
Yeah, I can see your screen.
Why did you even remove Shitu as the head of house? Shitu, you are good.
Thank you.
Okay, our head of house will come now.
So my screen is there. Okay, let me see. Please, somebody should look at my timing. I want to know if I can share in 15 minutes. So somebody should look at my timing, please.
Okay,
let
no
me
problem.
see if I can present in 15 minutes. So starting from now, this is my screen. My name is WSA-NIGERIA and I'm from Kano State. I'm writing about how ICT innovation can bring about development in educational system in Nigeria. We have a case study of Kano State. So there is an introduction.
Yes, yes.
I would advise you don't mention the name of the slide.
How do you mean?
Okay.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
I should not mention the name.
Chitu, please let her pour her mind. It's fine.
Okay.
We need that basic mind. Please go ahead. Go ahead.
I'm the timekeeper. I'm keeping
time. Said the impact of ICT in our society nowadays can never be overemphasized because it has really affected the way message travel from one destination to another. So nowadays we are adopting to means of many people staying indoors to watch their television, play online, make transactions, place and receive orders, and also advertise their products. This means that increase in technology can bring many ways to entertain and accurately understand the importance of ICT in education. There's actually a process of learning about how ICT can impact educational aspect in our state. And we define as technology is defined as a tool or resources to use to create, to disseminate, and store or manage information. So
are you on?
We are listening.
Are you on?
Hello, Awa. Hello? Oh, I guess we lost her.
Okay. Let her get herself back.
Hello.
Yeah, I guess your network, we lost you.
Your sharing is off, so recreate your share. Good.
Yes,
excellent.
She's now good with it.
Oh, this report is mainly concerned.
You don't get choice, Awa.
This my report is mainly concerned on relevant. That is it. I will not allow anything. This report is mainly concerned about relevance concerning the use of education in Kano State. Before earlier time, information and technology communication scholars had agreed to talk about so many links about creating ICT and using it.
Could it be network?
Yeah, I want to believe it's network.
Oh, network too will do that, Abi.
Yes.
No problem. We will embarrass network today. How you must present? Nothing will happen. Is Messi there?
No, I have my objective.
Okay.
Yeah,
great.
Continue.
I have my objective there.
Now we can see your screen.
I have my objective there. Objective of the so the objective is to provide a way of integrating communication technology in ICT and in educational sector innovation technology. We have some of the purpose which I will not, because of time, I will not in detail. I will just go through it. Is number one is to investigate the level of usage of ICT devices learning through digital technology, and also to increase variety of educational services and medium in order to ease learning. And this report is also to promote more opportunities to obtain education and using new innovation and information technology in order to develop education. So after this objective, we have a plan, we have overview. The overview since the implementation of this Millennium Development Goal in 2009 to 2013, there's an increased number of children that are enrolled in school from 1.8 million to 3 million. So through this, Nigeria is currently one of the biggest application downloader in Africa, and also the top 10 countries that will have increased in smartphone connectivity in 2015. So realizing this information, according to this analysis, Nigeria can meet these innovation strategies with many people getting connected every day. That is why we try to put more effort in this innovation. The plan is for Kano State to use a keyword called CADDEMIUM. This keyword is used in order to bring collaboration with a group of ICT personnel and Office of the Secretary General to the state government in introducing ICT to the educational system of Kano State.
Correction, please.
Okay.
That's the second paragraph there that says to accomplish this system, the group of ICT personnel which is headed by Alhaji Sagir Mohammed. Check that spelling of Sagir. Is that right?
Sagir, okay. Okay, thank you.
Is this Sagir or Sagiru?
It's all the same, but let me use Sagir. He mostly use Sagir.
Because that's my personal friend. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the observation. So to accomplish this system, group of ICT personnel, which is headed by this Alhaji Sagiru, the PA, to the SSG, to the Kano State Government, and also the MD of Inter-System Computer Training School, with 4 IT members, has emerged with a plan to start the training of all the Kano State teachers in digital technology training. The program will cover universal basic education, Kano State Secondary School Management Board, and other educational parastatals. What is the requirement? The requirement is to need for the government to introduce a system where all teachers will be able to own a laptop that will be used in the classroom, and there's also need for a projector and connectivity in order to ease learning. The software to be used is called Kano State Teachers Aid, and the software will be developed using PHP, MySQL, HTML, that's front end, and database SQL.
Excellent.
In case of update or other activities, then we use HTML, SQL, and database to develop the program. Then my last slide is the objective of the software. So at the end of this development of this software, the end product of the software is to meet the demand of every teacher. The software will be developed using different stages. That's from primary level, secondary level, and also the senior secondary level.
Yeah, that's the power of network.
And the method, so the Kanban methodology is a method of developing a software which the developers are involving the customer. When you are using this Kanban technology, you involve your customer in the activity using a board called Kanban board for illustration and demonstration. So the purpose of combining customer and the developers when there's from the early stage of development. So that's the end of my presentation.
Excellent. Excellent. That's a very good
one.
Right,
you stopped at 10:43.
Right.
You tried.
Okay.
I stopped at
10:43.
Okay, please, let's just...
I stopped at what, please?
Let's take...
10:43.
10:43.
Let's take this...
What's my timing? How many minutes be that?
It's like 10 minutes.
Right. So let us take this general information.
Okay, thank you. Please, if there is any correction.
Please, everybody to listen to this. Your presentation should carry a first page of your proper introduction, because you have to sell yourself. You need your picture, you need who you are, you need to be who you are, and you need like a table that carries the ICT for Seeds logo, because these are official and international presentations. So you are free to use the Innovationbed logo. You are free to use the UN ICT for Seeds logo on your presentation, and this must come at the front of your presentation. Okay. You must be able to sell yourself.
Sir, I'm also using my LinkedIn URL. Can I?
Please go ahead. And at the back, at the final page, you must say thank you. And you should put your details, your email and everything. You must sell yourself. Nobody can ever sell you well.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Let me share one story. Let me share one story for you. I'm a software developer. My software, if I do not market it, nobody can ever market it better for me. You understand what I'm saying? So you need to be able to sell your product yourself. And that must be done so well. So please, I will share the documents. I will share I think we have the document on the general, what's it called? That's the logo for ICT for Seeds. I'll look for it now and put it up for us to use. But then it's here. I think we have it here. The logos are here so we can...
Is there any correction for me?
Listen, it's not perfect. It can never be perfect. So we are not going after corrections. Your concept, your idea is mandate and is good. Okay. Yes. Later on, you yourself will go back to it and begin to see corrections yourself, your way. That's the whole idea. There is never any perfect documentation or presentation. Like I've always said, you put up an idea, please maintain and respect your idea. All right, so that's a good one. Messi, are you fine now? Please take note of the page for your picture, who you are, and please maintain that you are the participant on Innovation Bed from your states. Is everybody with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's important that you are Innovation Bed from that state, and you need the Innovation Bed logo, you need the ICT for Seeds logo. If we don't have it, I will try and share.
We don't have it.
I think you can just share all of that on the WhatsApp group.
I will share it now.
We don't have it.
I'll share it now for
Someone
you.
like me.
Yes. I'll share it on the either WhatsApp, anywhere that is easier for me. So please, somebody else should take over. Messi. Okay, Abubakar Yusuf is here, head of house, unannounced. Please go ahead. Can you do a presentation, showcase something, speak and share your screen quickly so that we can go do other things?
Yes, I can do that.
Yes, we want to be sure that people are able to do this so that we don't waste too much time at the time of the sessions. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. I want to share this screen.
Please go ahead. You are free. Head of house, don't beg people. People should beg you. Abba. You know that guy called class prefect still want to be doing like prefect.
Everyone see my screen?
Very well, very well.
Yes.
Very well.
Yeah, very well.
Yes.
So, I will start like I will say I want to present restaurants in smart city. Going forward, a smart city primary goal is sustaining an energy, water, and waste. I have kept firmly in mind that the sources of any city is its people. A city is only as successful as its ability to give people an opportunity to interact, discover, and also innovate and create. As John Joseph, a visionary in urban planning, said, design is people. If a smart city is to truly add value, the focus has to be on bringing people together. I'll move further. By 2050, it is estimated that 70% of the world population of 8 billion will be living in urban neighborhoods. To accommodate this growth, global cities are aiming to get smarter smart cities. On one hand, this anticipated boom in urban living should present the restaurant industry with substantial opportunities for growth, as smart cities will increasingly rely on food service operations. Tomorrow, smart cities will want or demand through regulation that smart, connected restaurants and other businesses too monitor and manage their resources, maintaining their impact on the community. Therefore, in the most every way that matters. It's from it measurable to quickly the company I'll present now, which is Fudo-NG. Fudo-NG as a tool to enhance smart cities. Fudo-NG at Fudo-NG, our software is made for restaurant, bakeries, chips, culinary chains, and instantly connected into our technology stack to grow their businesses and manage order app. We provide valuable tools and insight to help manage their businesses, predict demand, and increase the return on their menus. Our goal is to make them as successful as possible in their market environment. Our customer growth specialists help them boost sales by tapping into multiple brands, launching marketing campaigns, and optimizing their strategy. I reach on delivery platform. And then I will explain this. I have to explain this is the home of the Fudo NG app.
Excellent.
As you can see, there's a restaurant here,
Yes.
swears places,
Yes.
bakeries, and
Yes.
also there are snacks, which is not shown here.
You are making me get hungry.
There is a thank you, sir. As you can see here is a list of the nearby partners or businesses here. And here is the food, swear, and drinks. You can check here. Is a shortcut, and here is a baked snacks and fruits. So from here is like the shortcut of the items, and here you can enter from the part is like the partners shortcut here, and here you can enter to find the list of the restaurant or the swears or bakeries and more. Going further, what we offer for our business partners: performance optimization, customized restaurant consultation to optimize exposure and capture their customers' attention to convert into sales. Alternative channels, maximize their restaurant exposure to an array of other platforms available in the market. Campaign and marketing, we use data and our own insight to create campaigns that best fit their brand and bring them in more orders so they can concentrate on perfecting their food. Fudo NG process. This is the process. How does our online food ordering system work? So on this step, I will not read the sentence one by one or the steps. I'll just explain it briefly. Step one, user enter our website or mobile app. As user can download our app from Play Store, which is available currently, or they can check our website, which is www.fudong.com. They can order from there and see all the available partners and foods and items. Step two, select favorite dish. From there, the customer, he can check the available foods he want to order from the available restaurant or bakery or restaurant or snacks. Step three, add items to the cart. The customer can add items to his cart. He can add many items or one item, and from here he can delete the item he put. Going further, step four, pay and confirm order. At this stage, the customer can pay online using our integrated payment gateway, or he can pay cash on delivery after the what he ordered was delivered to him. Step five, food preparation and delivery. At this stage, at stage four, after confirming the order, we receive the order. Our administrator will receive the order. So he will forward it after confirming it's a real order. He will forward it to the partner, and which is step five. The partner will get the notification of the order. If refer the order, and if it is ready, he can mark the order as ready for pick-up using the app we provide to the partners. Then our delivery network will go and pick up the order. So I did not go into the process of administrators and our agents, and also
not necessary.
The partners would do. So I will just
yeah.
explain the customer process, which is the most important. Why Fudo NG? It is the perfect virtual marketplace which involves customers as well as the restaurant. There is enough amount of flexibility for customers that when he wants to eat, and only at that time he will order his food. On the restaurant level, there are all the specific necessary given to the customer to avoid all inconveniences such as time, menu, price, and offers, etc. Simple architecture of Fudo NG. So here you can just see our simple architecture of the process of our business at Fudo NG. Going further about the why Fudo NG, restaurant by this way can certainly cutting their cost of service at their food step and maintaining most people than necessary. Now, than necessity. Restaurant can serve more customers and less staff and resources.
Network here again.
And food delivery with restaurant online. So this is where I will end.
Excellent.
So this is the end of my presentation.
This is a very good one from Katsina, right? This is a very good one from Katsina.
Yes, sir.
So far, I've just posted on the forum there. I am comfortable with Benue. I have the confidence also from Katsina now, and I think I have confidence for Ogun, and I have also confidence from Kano, and I need more confidence. Messi, Ipe, are we set?
Can you please help call Kiklimatu?
You see, we have, okay. I'm worried about Messi Ipe. She's been on, and we can't hear her, and no signals at all. And this has been for so long, and you see, I'm worried because everyone has an opportunity at this.
This is a word platform that nobody here should actually miss.
I really want us to. So I have shared in that WhatsApp area now. You will get the Innovationbed correct logo. You have the ICT official logo for Nigeria, and then I'm actually looking for the ICT, the UN copy that we can reduce the size and put it as a master page at the foot of your presentation, and everybody should be able to adopt that. Yes. And please, on your first page, on the first page, listen again, put your picture there, your name, and that you are actually a beneficiary of the program from so state. If you can have your state emblem, I wouldn't mind, because let's also sell the states. Is anybody listening?
Yes.
It's just that I'm not a graphics person. But then it's not about graphics. If you can just do like a table and put your picture somewhere, put the state, Kano State logo or Ogun State logo or Akwa Ibom State logo in one box and the Innovationbed logo in one box. I don't know if somebody can just attempt to try something and share with others. So you can just, your picture somewhere, maybe centrally, Innovationbed on one side and there and things like that. So that you can, okay. All right, this is a good one. Look at this guy. Hey, she too. Awa just said that you're an oppressor this morning. Did you hear her? Awa said
you know angry.
Awa just said you're an oppressor. You're oppressor prefect. No, that's a good one. But then,
you know angry.
On that page at the foot, I light it with the ICT for Seeds logo, the Innovationbed logo, to power it to anywhere. They look for the original, the other one from the global logo. So you are entitled to it.
I'm doing that now. Awa, please. You said you will use PHP to develop that application. Please don't use PHP.
No, please.
Because I'm actually going to help you develop.
She too. Don't worry yet. This is not the time for that one. Oh, she too never start. Awa, don't let anybody mislead you. You have said your thoughts.
It's the one I know better I'm using. No, it's the one I know better I'm using.
Which is beautiful. But then you'll get to see later on where some of these things might pan into later. Don't worry.
Yusuf.
Yes.
I actually like I like the fact that you're presenting what you've been doing.
Excellent. This is beautiful.
Yeah.
Yes. This is beautiful.
I like it.
This is beautiful.
Yeah. Some of us are doing something abstract. Well, what I'm presenting is that I have a lot of I'm just like I'm scattered brain. the sense that I have several ideas roaming in my head.
Don't use my words.
I have several things in my head. So
but present. But why not present that you are transportation business
don't
company?
abuse me.
I copied the word from you, sir. I remember those days.
I respect what I'm scattered doing. Because I want to enjoy my versatility.
Well, it's true. It's true. I could have actually this. It's because of the reach, you know.
No,
as in the reach, as in.
Let me share an idea with you. Now,
Okay.
with the presentation as like a final page, you can just put a page of the product that you currently have and what they do. You are still fine.
Yeah, I do that too.
You are still fine. No?
Yeah, thank you, sir.
You are still fine.
Yeah.
And possibly people who.
So Shit, what are you presenting?
I'm presenting smart traffic. You know, when traffic becomes smarter.
Oh, please let me share.
Okay.
Let me share with you. Let me share with you one problem I saw yesterday in the community work I engaged myself with yesterday.
Okay, sir.
There's this local government in Lagos State. It's called Innovationbed LCDA. The chairman opened up to me yesterday that the local government is one of the biggest in Lagos State. And sincerely, I never knew because I grew up in some of these places that I didn't even know that all those places were called Innovationbed. Now, and they said each of the wards, they have health centers. And you can imagine that these health centers are moribund. So why don't we think of things that can help these health centers, in the communities around us? You understand what I'm saying? There are 1,000,001 ways we can do to introduce innovation to all these health centers and make them more popular, make them more accessible, and make them more accountable, and of course of much more benefit to the people in those communities. Because practically those health centers are, if you go there, they are dusty, not active. People just go there, sit down while away time. I understand they don't even have drugs. So we can actually use innovation to promote the openness of these things to the people so that they can actually make better use of the place. While this also comes as a responsibility for the leaders in the place to improve those medical centers. Because we can't just continue to watch that. Everybody believes the health centers are dead places, you know? So we should try to see how we can actually promote all those, because for them to have health centers, please promote it. All the monies for COVID-19 is all gone. We saw the ceremonies when they got billions. They were even building health centers on top of the football pitches, which I'm sure if you go there by now, everything has been crumbled and they've been demolished. So why don't we just go back to see how we can help those small wards, health clinics that in one way or the other, we can introduce telemedicine so that even if they don't have doctors, we can have more people outside the walls to help people in the community. Please, what we are doing today is just a mid-workshop appraisal. This what we have done now is a appraisal. You can imagine what I'll be expecting of you after the workshop. So you guys never start. All right. So I have
morning, sir.
Morning, Ayuba. You were driving.
No, sir. I have a little network problem. I intend to reach office at time. I now log in. I log in before, but network problem.
I saw you earlier. Okay, no problem. Because I saw somebody said he was on the way. I think that was the FCT man. But then we want to be sure. What we are just doing this morning, I have given Benue, Katsina, Ogun, and Kano pass mark yet. These people are guaranteed that they can have confidence to present today. They can share their screen, they can talk without panicking, and they can moderate themselves within the period and close and round up and go. And we have said that on your presentation, use your picture because you have to promote yourself. Use the ICT for Seeds logo at the foot of your presentation and be smart and respect yourself so that people can respect you back. So if you have anything to share with us, we want to see that you can do the same from Bauchi for me to be able to score Bauchi now.
Okay, sir. Let me start.
Go ahead, please.
Yes.
Yarima.
And that person just mute his mic.
Please, important. When the program starts, let us all mute our mic. Very, very important.
So you talk when you talk when it is needful for you to talk.
Yes.
Hello. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Yes, this is Aliyu Ayuba from Bauchi State ICT.
You're welcome, sir.
My presentation for today is on unemployment issue in Nigeria and our approach to the solution. Organized by Aliyu Ayuba.
That's right.
Introductions. We had an important inflection point in computing and exciting to be driving technology forward.
We cannot see your screen.
Up to now?
We cannot see
the
your
screen is
presentation.
shared. Yes, the screen is shared, but there's no presentation on it.
Yeah, we can see your screen, but we can see your folder, your file.
Not, which is not too nice to do.
So you're supposed to share
my file.
Yeah, maybe you should stop sharing and
try it. You can just, since the screen is shared, you can just go to where your slide is and just share it. It will come up on the screen.
I can see him highlight a file, but he has
what
not.
Now?
It's not. You have not running the file yet.
Yes.
Okay,
now.
Excellent.
Unemployment issue in Nigeria and our approach to the solution. Organized by Aliyu Ayuba, Bauchi State. Hello?
Yeah, we can hear you. Continue.
It's your floor.
Hello?
Don't expect that we'll be talking to you. You are the one talking.
Introduction.
Don't say hello. Just continue.
Don't say hello. Don't expect that.
No, I
want to hear you.
My internet is going down and
but I know, but then you don't
introduction.
Say hello. You don't say hello to us. Don't say hello to us because you don't expect that we'll be talking to you. You are the one talking to us.
No, sir. I have internet problem. I am thinking that you are not hearing me. That's why I say hello.
We understand you. You know, now we are rehearsing.
Okay. Yes, sir. We had an important inflection point in computing and exciting to be driving technology forward. And it made us even more responsible. And you see, expectation for technology is very greatly different where in the world or what opportunities are available for you. And the important question will raise about the impact of these advances and the role they play in our life. So we know the path ahead need to be navigated carefully and deliberately. Youth respectiveness and high rate of unemployment. Unemployment is the one of the leading cause of increasement of social vice such as rapes, armed robbery, drug abuse, and domestic violence in the country. Currently, the unemployment rate in Nigeria is 27.1% from all the time low record of 5.1% in 2010. In part of this caused by the insecurity in the northern region fueled by Boko Haram and recent insurgency in boundaries and kidnapping. This has increased total number of internally displacement persons, that is called IDP, who were forced to solution one for skill acquisition, and job creation. Owner of private business